Hey, this is Sam here with Ed Martin. Today I'm just going to show you this quick little tip. In order to fit 35-inch wheels or 35-inch tires or larger on a new Land Cruiser, you're going to have to move this bracket right here for the stabilizer disconnect mechanism. So I'm just going to go over that real quick and show you right now. First off, you have to take these two 12s off, which I'll grab right now. There's one, there's the other. And take this whole shield off right here and just set it aside for now. All right, now I've already taken this clip out, but there's a clip right here that holds it onto the frame. You can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this right now. There we go. And go ahead and unclip this as well, because we're gonna tuck all this back behind the frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bracket right here as well. And then I'll show you we're gonna reattach it. All right, so now that we have this disconnected and this bracket off, we're gonna go ahead and get this bracket mounted to the other side. So if we come back around here, you'll have a threaded bolt hole right here. So I'm just gonna find however this sits happy. I'm gonna hang this light up real quick. Find wherever this sits happy and just get it threaded in. I'm not gonna get it fully down yet because this might not be final, but. All right, there we go. Now it's time to start threading this back through the frame in order to make this work. So that should go there. And if we come back to the other side, we're gonna end up tucking this all the way through the frame up here. It's a little bit of a fight, but it will get there. So it's push underneath these hoses. Now I went ahead and relocated this bracket right here so that this will sit right in that little divot. So now we can connect these. And we're gonna go ahead and secure this right here with some zip ties, and we're gonna go ahead and foam wrap this wire right here so we don't have any rubbing issues. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bracket tight right now as well. Just a 12 millimeter is all you're gonna need. All right, that's tight. I'm gonna go ahead and try to rotate this back, retighten, make sure it's where we want it. That's happy. Now I'm gonna take an adhesive foam. It's a little sticky, we can get it wherever. It's not too picky. And peel it off and go ahead and wrap this around our black wire right here. I'm gonna unplug this, make it a little easier. I'm gonna grab another. There we go. Now we have it neatly wrapped like that, and there's no wire exposed. If you have exposed wire, it's gonna rub on that frame rail and you're gonna get some issues later on. We're gonna shove this back through. Go ahead and plug it in. All right, and I'm gonna grab a zip tie and zip this up, and then we'll be done. just through your mounting bracket right here. And then I'm just going to send it right around the other side of this Y. Tighten it down. Now it's not going to go anywhere. Always clip them. There we go. Now that is relocated and we're good to continue with the lift.